Hello there, my name's Edgar. Once you have set up a spa or leisure package using Core by Premier software, you can allocate the time windows they can be booked within. This helps manage your occupancy. Today I will show you how to set up these time bands and their availability. Time bands can manage the number of occupants using your facilities or booking your packages within a set time period. To do this, first log into Manager if you're a single site business or Administrator if you are multi-site. Then make sure you've set up your packages under the Appointments section and then Packages. We show this in depth in our package setup and redemption video. Once done, click Package Time Band Limits from the main menu. You can then click the green plus to create a new package time band. A new window will appear with several options available. Here you can set the start date of the new time band as well as any applicable end date. Use the drop-down arrow and calendar to set the start date the time band will first be used. If this is attached to an upcoming package, for instance, you may wish to set this as the date the package is due to go live. You can then select whether to create a blank time band or one based on an existing package's time band. If you select the later option, you can also select the site you wish to base these off. When you're ready, click the green tick. You will be taken back to the previous window. Under Time Bands, you can then set up the start time and end time for each band. For example, you may wish for one booking period, or Band 1, to be available from 9 AM to 12 noon. You can then set a second time band an hour later and so on, inputting as many time bands as you would like in a given day. Under the Limits section, you can set the maximum number of people who can book packages on each day during each time band. For example, 20 people can book a package on Monday during time band 1. If you would like no one to be able to book on a specific day, simply input 0 into the time bands for that day. On the right, you can set any web booking limit time bands. This is for those who book online should you have that functionality enabled. Next, you will need to assign the time bands to your packages. Head back to the Packages icon, highlight the package and select Site Details at the top. Head down to the Availability tab next to Information and click the green plus below the box. Select the start date you wish the availability to take effect from. Select Create Blank to create a fresh template and then click the green tick. This will pull through the available time bands you have set up for that period. Under the Allow Booking section on the right, tick the time bands you wish the highlighted package to be available for. If you would like the package to only be selectable on one band from a choice of multiple time bands, tick the applicable box and set the number of bands booked as 1. Next, set the maximum number of people who can book this package in the booking limit boxes to the left if these differ from the default in any way. Simply click the cell and input the correct number. Click the green tick on the left of the screen to save the details. Now you know how to set up and assign time bands. For more details about Core by Premier software, book a free presentation using the link in the description. In the meantime, you can visit our website at www.premier-core.com. Telephone our sales team on +44 01543 466 580 or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.